Today, we're going to see how upgrading the battery on your kid's ride-on car can increase its speed. I have a few cars with the stock motors and batteries that will run for a baseline speed test, and then we'll swap out the stock battery and motors. Most kids' electric cars come with a 12-volt battery with either 7, 10, or 12 amp-hour ratings. The higher the amp-hour rating, the longer the runtime. The stock batteries that come in a Power Wheels car are known as SLA, or sealed lead acid. This stock Power Wheels battery is a 12-volt, 9.5 SLA battery. The batteries that we have are 6-volt, 7 amp-hour SLA, a 12-volt, 12 amp-hour SLA, a 12.8-volt, 10 amp-hour lithium-iron phosphate battery, and an 18-volt lithium-ion power drill battery.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, go!
On your mark, get set, go! Three, two, one. Three, two, one, go! Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! On your mark, get set, go! On your mark, get set, go!
If you have any questions, post them below, and take a moment to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I just hit 300 subscribers last week, which is awesome. Thank you all so much. And now for the results. And the winner is the Audi topping out at 9.5 miles per hour, just edging out the Lambo, which topped out at 9.4 miles per hour.